Welcome to my class Introduction. Class Standard 9, Subject Mathematics, Chapter name Trigonometric Ratio, Exercise 9.1, Lecture 3. Today's lesson to solve the problems. At first, I will discuss formula. Sin theta is equal to 1 divided by cosec theta implies cosec theta is equal to 1 divided by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 divided by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Again, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Also, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From here, we can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Also, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Here, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. From here, we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta implies cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, or cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. You have to remember this formula. Okay. Example 10, given that square root over 1 minus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a is equal to sec a minus tan a. We have to prove this. Solution, left hand side is given square root over 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Now multiplying both numerator and denominator by square root over 1 minus sin a. As a result, numerator will be 1 minus sin a into 1 minus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a, and overall will be square root. Now 1 minus sin into 1 minus sin a is equal to, we can write 1 minus sin a whole square, and 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. This equal to, we can write a square root over 1 minus sin a whole square divided by cos square a. As here is square root and here is square, also here is square, so square root and square we can omit. As a result, this equal to, we can write 1 minus sin a divided by cos a, but this equal to, we can write 1 divided by cos a minus sin a divided by cos a, but 1 divided by cos a this equal to, we know, sec a, and sin a divided by cos a this equal to tan a. This equal to right hand side, so proof is complete. Clear everyone? Follow this solution, you can easily solve 19 number and 20 number in your book exercise 9.1. Clear everyone? Same process. Example 11. If tan a plus sin a is equal to a and tan a minus sin a is equal to b, prove that a square minus b square is equal to 4 square root over ab. Here given tan a plus sin a is equal to a and tan a minus sin a is equal to b. Left hand side is given a square minus b square. Now a is equal to what? A is equal to tan a plus sin a whole. As here is square, so here will be square. B is equal to tan a minus sin a, and as here is square, so here also will be square. Now follow here properly. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square corollary will be 4ab. We know this formula. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. This equal to 4ab. That's mean a mean tan a, b mean sin a. So here will be 4 tan a sin a. As here is 4, when we will use square root, because we have to prove that square root over ab, so we have to take here square root. As here is only sin a and tan a, when we will use square root, that will be tan square, also sin will be sin square. Okay, now tan square a and sin square a, this equal to 1 minus cos square a. Okay, now multiplying tan square a into 1 mean tan square a minus cos square a, that's mean this equal to minus tan square a into cos square a. Now tan square a, this equal to what? Tan square a mean sin square a divided by cos square a. As here is cos square a, so cos square a cut, here will be only sin square a. Clear? Now this is a, this is b, so here is a square minus b square. A square minus b square mean a plus b into a minus b. This equal to a and this equal to b, so this equal to, you can write 4 square root over ab. This is right hand side. Proof is complete. Clear everyone? Very easy math. Okay, you can solve activity cot to the power 4a minus cot square a, this equal to 1. This is given condition, have to prove cos to the power 4a plus cos square a, this equal to 1. Very easy. At first we have to take the given condition. Here cot to the power 4a minus cot square a, this equal to 1. That's mean cot to the power 4a, this equal to, we can write 1 plus cot square a. But 1 plus cot square a is equal to what? Equal to cosec square a. Okay, that's mean third line will be cot to the power 4a, this equal to cosec square a. But cosec square a is equal to what? 1 divided by sin square a, and cot to the power 4a, this equal to cos to the power 4a divided by sin to the power 4a. Clear everyone? So left side will be cos to the power 4a divided by sin to the power 4a, and right side will be 1 divided by sin square a. As here is sin square a and left side sin to the power 4a, so left side will be cos to the power 4a divided by sin square a, and right side will be only 1. Clear? Therefore cos to the power 4a, this equal to, we can write sin square a, this equal to sin square a. That's mean cos to the power 4a, this equal to sin square a. Now you can take left hand side cos to the power 4a plus cos square a, but cos to the power 4a equal to what? Sin square a. So sin square a plus cos square a, this equal to 1. This is right hand side, so proof is complete. Very easy math. Okay, similarly 2 number you can easily solve, no problem. Problem 21, exercise 9.1 in your book. Here given cos a plus sin a, this equal to square root over cos a. Prove that cos a minus sin a, this equal to square root over 2 into sin a. Now given condition cos a plus sin a, this equal to square root over cos a. Now this convert into right side, as a result left side will be sin a and right side is square root over 2 into cos a minus cos a. Here is common cos a, so here will be square root over 2 minus 1. Now dividing on both sides, square root over 2 minus 1, left side will be sin a divided by square root over 2 minus 1, and here will be only cos a. As here is the given condition is square root over, that's mean denominator is square root over related, so we have to vanish this. As a result we have to multiplying both numerator and denominator of left side by square root over 2 plus 1 by square root over That's mean square root over 2 plus 1. As a result, denominator will be square root over 2 plus 1 into square root over 2 minus 1, and right side will be same. Okay, but here will be square root over 2 whole square minus 1 square. That's mean here will be 2 minus 1. That's mean here only 1, and numerator will be same. Now follow same condition, just we have to multiply here square root of 2 sin a plus sin a by 2 minus 1 mean 1. Now cross multiplication, this into this will get cos a, and that will be right side, and now this convert into left side, and we'll get the desired result. Clear everyone? Very easy. Okay, 12 number, if sec a plus tan a is equal to 5 by 2, find the value of sec a minus tan a. This is a given condition, but we know sec square a this equal to 1 plus tan square a. Now this convert into left side. As a result, here will be sec square a minus tan square a this equal to 1. This equal to, you can write sec a plus tan a into sec a minus tan a. But sec a plus tan a this equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, sec a minus tan a this equal to 2 by 5. As this is in the form multiplication, so when we convert this into right side, that will be divide. As a result, here will be sec a minus tan a this equal to 2 by 5. Clear? Follow this, you can easily solve 23 number and 25 one number in your book, exercise 9.1. Clear everyone? Problem 22, here given tan a equal to 1 by root 3. Find the value of this. As here is a square, so we have to square on both sides here. That's mean solution given, this is the given condition, but tan a this equal to sin a by cos a, that is equal to 1 divided by root 3, or sin square a by cos square a equal to 1 by 3 by squaring. But sin square a mean 1 by cosec square a, and cos square equal to 1 by sec square a, because given condition is here say cosec square a and sec square a. So we have to convert sin and cos into cosec square and sec square. Clear? Now this equal to, we can write sec square a by cosec square a this equal to 1 by 3, or cosec square a by sec square a this equal to 3 by 1 by invert tangent. That's mean here numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Similarly in right side. Okay, or cosec square a minus sec square a, that's mean numerator minus denominator, numerator plus denominator. Here numerator minus denominator, numerator plus denominator by dividendo componendo. Here will be 2 by 4. 2 by 4 mean equal to 1 by 2. That's mean this equal to, you will get this. So proof is complete. Clear? So the student homework will be left all exercise 9.1 and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 30/3/2021. Time 11 AM. Today up to this. Thank you to all everyone.